forgive everybody. And I always say this to myself, I don't want to hear, but you don't know what they did. I know. I say this to myself, still forgive them. Because I want to go to Jannah. And I want my Hajj inside my house to be Hajjun Mabrur. There is no Hajjun Mabrur even when you go there and you still have this grudges inside you against somebody. At all. Forgive people. Pardon people. Control this. Live these 10 days with the following hadith. One of the strongest language Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam used in a hadith. قُلْ خَيْرًا وَلَّا وَإِلَّا فَاصْمُتْ. Say good or stay quiet. I don't want to say that the slang word we use these days, but literally in the Arabic language meaning stay quiet. And this is an order. قُلْ خَيْرًا is an order. Order from Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam is an obligation. I'm not going to make fun of people. I'm not going to be teasing people for no reason. I'm not going to say she is this or he is that. That's not in the 10 days of the Dhulhijjah. Because I don't know if I'm going to be living to see the 10 days, let alone next year.